Bathroom renos. People love the idea of a beautiful new bathroom, but often the cost, the timing, or just the fear of the whole process stops them before they begin. Let's talk to someone who knows what to do. Morning, Regan.
Yeah, good morning, Kerry. That's true, but a funny story actually. I was at a quote on Friday and Alan says to me, "Are you actually the Regan from Regency Plumbing that talks to Kerry?" I said, "Yep, that's me." So it's real people, real homes doing real renovations every day.
I love that. Good morning, Alan.
Yeah, and Alan's a good example of why people put it off. He's got an empty rental house. He's thinking about bathrooms, kitchen, carpet, and it just becomes overwhelming. Where do you start? What's it going to cost? And while he sits there, of course, it's costing him money anyway with lost rent.
Suppose that's what stops a lot of people, though, the faff.
Yeah, exactly, because it's just not one job. It's plumbing, building, tiling, electrical, waterproofing, painting. And then when people try to manage it all themselves, that's where the stress, the delays and extra costs creep in. It's hard.
So what do you do differently?
Well, we just keep it simple. One team, one plan. We've been doing Kiwi renovations for nearly 30 years, so we know the homes and we know how to make it all happen for you.
Absolutely perfect. So if you've been thinking about renovating your bathroom, upgrading a rental or tackling a much bigger renovation, Regency Plumbing do it all. Call them Regency Plumbing 0800 Plumber today. That's Regency Plumbing 0800 Plumber.